Hello everyone, I'm back with a new lesson today, a short, crisp and important lesson. Basically, most of the students do this mistake and this error is done by most of the people who speak in English while even fluently. What is mistake? Okay, for example, if I say, one of my friend is not well, is it correct? No, it is not. It is one of my friends is not well. Now you would ask, Mom, why are you saying one of my friends? It's not correct because you're using one, but no. Our basic motto is to understand the logic behind it, and the reason is we are specifying one person, one friend out of so many. Hence, whenever you use one of the, always use plural noun after it or plural form. For example, one of the friends, one of the men, men, one of the women, women, one of the children, and